just want to put a couple tapes just to hold the glass so it doesn't slide. Drop it down when I remove the regulators. This is for the passenger side. Let's get the project done. It's just a clip. So this one I just pry this open. Just pry this side and pop it open like that. Like that. Just come right out. I'm using a 932 seconds. And one down the bottom here. Also 930 seconds. And this one is 10 millimeter. So there are 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3 down the bottom. One behind here. Second one. The bottom, the top are shorter screws, okay? But the center one's a little longer. Screw it out like this. But since I have this one, I'm gonna use this one. So I got all this out. I'm gonna slide up and out. Out. There we go. So I got the panel. Good. Got the whole panels out. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Rip it down. Regulator motor. Take it out. Aim the clamp on the glass. And the second one is here. This bolts that secure the clamp. It's also 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 6. 3 on each side to secure the regulator. That's the motor right here. And I'm going to loose the bolts on the clamps that the glass is mounting on. So loose that first. There you go, it's the old one. Okay, the one on the left side is the old one. New one. Paper. It looks the same. Up. This one for a second. On this left side, got the left side and the right side. There's a hook right here, and to hold the bolt go inside. Let's put a simple bolt here. I'll tell you guys my first one. Install door regulator. Okay, looking good. Make sure all the cable is in place. I'm gonna raise this side up, and what I'm doing that I'm gonna loose the clamp here so that the glass can go in between the rubber here. This is where the glass go between the two piece of rubber here. Up. The left side. I'm gonna loose the bolt here. Just need to open the piece of rubber here so the glass can go inside between the two clamps. Don't want the bolt to come loose, so I'm gonna apply the blue thread to the mounting bolt, just to be safe, because many factory recommended that's not a bad idea, because over time it does come off. I'm gonna use 8 foot-pounds. I set for 8 foot-pounds. Okay, so the window glass that it is clamping to the clamper. So the tapes are off from the windows. After install window regulator test, see where go up and down. I connect the remote control, keys in the ignition and on. Up and down. Up into auto. Auto. No, free. Looks working beautiful. Put it back together. It should be ready.